How to fix your Discord webhook sending problem. So let's get straight into the video. So if you're not being able to send webhook URL, what you want to do is firstly, you want to simply go ahead and check the webhook URL itself. Make sure that it is complete and correct and recreate the webhook if needed. If not, you want to simply go to channel settings and go inside of permissions and then make sure that send messages is allowed for webhook. Also on your webhook in your channel. Also, you want to simply go ahead and ensure that the webhook is connected to the correct channel and has not been deleted. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your JSON payload format as well. Use a valid JSON format. Even a small error can cause the webhook to fail. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can also make this problem occur. And if nothing works, you want to simply go to support.discord.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.